Okay, people, I'm going to show you a really quick and kind of basic way to create a collage from maybe detail images or sketchbook images that you want to submit to the College Board to help tell the story of your sustained investigation. So I've come back to Pixlr, and instead of clicking Open Image, this time I'm going to click on the templates over here. And then if you scroll to the right, there's an option for Simple Collage. You can make some adjustments to this easily. Some are more complicated. I would choose one that has only 3 or maybe 2 spots. I know my detail images are kind of vertical, so I'm going to actually choose this one. And it's going to make a square. That's fine with me. We're going to have to resize it at the end, but that's okay. So we've got these 2 blank gray areas. If I quick double tap in that gray, it will launch my selection, my Finder window. So I'm going to click on this detail here, and I'm going to double tap on this one, and I'm going to put this detail here. And honestly, I like how it looks right like that. So I could go ahead and go to my layout to size things and move forward. But I want to show you real quickly, if you are looking, say I don't like how this one was placed. I want it that big, I want it that size, but I wanted something that's to the right in the image. If I double click this, now that it's here, see the green? That's what's actually in the photograph. So I might decide I want this part of it. I might decide I want that part of it. I kind of like somewhere in between, I think. So I can untap that. Same thing over here. I'm going to double click this one. Scan side to side to see what I want. I actually want to focus on the contrast between that green and the shiny and a little bit of the black. So I'm going to put it like that. I think that looks good. And that is helping them see an important part of the work that you wouldn't necessarily see from the full view because they can't zoom in that much. It's a small screen. Okay, now remember, they want things a specific size. So if I go back over to layout, we then need to go to Resize Image. This is actually a square. So we're going to check our AP technical requirements. The square size maximum is 642 by 642. I'm going to use that. So 642. I have my constrained proportion selected, so it changed this to 642. I'm going to click Apply. Perfect. So when they see the small thumbnail, it'll be like this, but when it goes up to 100%, they'll see it that big. It looks totally great. We're going to roll with it. So remember, even if you're creating a collage, Resize Image, check those pixel requirements so that they can actually see what you're sending them. Then I'm going to click Save, same as before. I'm going to say Detail Image 5. So maybe this is my 5th artwork and it's going to go next to image 5. Keep my life in order. I'm keeping it a JPEG. I'm sliding up the high to the 100%, and I'm going to click Download. Again, I'll move this to organize it later. Just going to save it for now. And there you have it. I made a collage. Help and tell the story. Good luck.